Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we hit 2,000 subscribers during the week. Yay! I really appreciate you guys. So I didn't post any video last week because it was exam week for my kids, so I was MIA. I was not even motivated to do any video, so I was doing mommy duty. But today I'm back with a banger. So we're doing a no frontal excuse me, we're doing a no frontal Ghana weaving braids. Like, you like what you see, right? No frontal. Don't tell anybody. It's a secret. So I want to get your popcorn, get your ice cream, get your snacks. It's gonna be a very long ride. We're gonna learn something today, guys. We're learning something different today. So before we start, I'd like to hit that subscribe button for me and the notification button for you to know when I post new videos. So you know how we do it, girl. Let's get to my dance step has changed. Let's get this party started. Okay, this is what we'll be working with. The video on how I achieved this, I'll put the link in the description box if you want to see how to put your net on your wig cap. After this, I traced my hairline on this net, but I lost the video, literally lost the video. But what you just do, just write it on your head and just trace it with a pencil or anything and trace it. So what I'm doing right now, I'm ventilating the front, that's the center part. You know I do this a lot. I do like 4 lines all the way to the middle to give me that perfect middle part that I like. You know, I don't want the one that you see the harsh line with the net. I like to make it look as natural as possible. So that's what I'm doing right here. So right here I'm trying to part my hair, that's my middle part, part it into 2 with a pin. I think pin is easier for me though than using a comb. It gets the perfect straight line that I want. You see what I'm talking about? Looking more natural. You're not just seeing the net all over the place. So this is what I'm trying to achieve. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and braid one side down so I do not disturb me. So remember the hairline which I said I traced with the pencil. I'll go ahead and just put in little hair, my ventilating pin around it, just like so, like what you're seeing right now. It's just like a guideline for me. Okay, I normally start ventilating first the little hair in front before I start attaching the bigger one with the mini crochet hook. It's easier for me, like it looks more natural at the end. So this is what I'm talking about. So I ventilated it first. So now I'm using my mini crochet pin. So don't mind me, the wooden part of my crochet pin fell off, so that's why it's like this. So I'll just go ahead and fill it up with some braiding hair, yeah, like so, like what I'm doing before I start braiding the hair. It makes it look more natural. So now I'm braiding it. I start with the front, which I ventilated, then I'll start picking up the braiding hair from the down to the top, like I am doing right now. So you see what I'm talking about. So the reason why I do the ventilating first is so that you won't be seeing the net all over the place when you're done with your Ghana weaving. Okay, so this is like the next day. I have to continue from where I stopped. So it's good to take a break and continue. Don't rush it. Don't say I must finish it today. Just take your time. It will come out well at the end. So it's like the next day. I have to continue from where I stopped. The same process. Ventilate first, then put your braiding hair, then you braid. So with this, I'll show you guys the outcome in a bit. Okay, this is our final look. As you can see, it's a banger. Okay, so what I normally do, I normally braid with smaller attachment, like I cut into 5 rather, so that it will not disturb me. So then at the end of the day, I'll not start doing like a fading braid to get the length I actually want. That's because if I braid when the attachment is really long, it's very hard to begin to tangle at the tip. So I usually just cut like into 5, then so it to be easier to manipulate. So now I'll just go ahead and fill up the back and put my baby hair, and we'll be good. So for the baby hair, I'm going to use the regular human hair bundle to the baby hair. Yeah.